Hi guys, for this video, I'm going to show you one technique on how to save your battery skin from the MA chassis. Let's go! Alright, so for all the MA users out there, I think you already noticed that the battery bay of this chassis is very stiff, alright? And whenever you place your battery, it's especially the white Fujitsu batteries and also the envelope white, or yeah, the white one. So when you install the battery to your ME chassis battery bay, this one especially, I'm not sure if it's the left or right, I think it's depending on the chassis, but it's very tight. As you can see, you have to push it all the way down. Okay, if you will compare the battery bay of CFM and FMA, those are the good ones. Okay, so you can install the battery very quickly. You can insert the battery very quickly. Okay, not unlike with MA, you have to push it all the way down. Now the problem with this with this one is that whenever you try to pull out your batteries, it will damage the tip of the battery. As you can see, this one's already damaged. Not totally wrecked, but there are some parts that's already like chipped off. So I just put some Tamiya tape here. I think this is allowed. So I'm going to show you, or I'm going to teach you one way on how to get your batteries without damaging the tip and the bottom part. Now these are the items that you need: a Tamiya tape. Okay, don't use other tape, don't use masking tape or any other color tape. It's you can only use Tamiya tape. Okay, and then a ruler. Okay, so you have to measure this 6 inches. Okay, or half a ruler. And then fold this into half. Okay, now once you're ready to fold this, move the battery cover here. Okay, then this one, insert it in between this area. Let me zoom in for you. Okay, so this one goes over here, and then the other side here. Okay, and then just center the tape like this. Okay, and then put it back on the chassis like this. Okay, and then so let's try negative here, and then other one positive here. Okay, and then when you need to get your batteries, it will be easier for you. No need to use this method, because this is the one that makes your battery skin damaged. So let's put it like this. Okay, so I already got the first one, and then the other one like this, and there you go. When you need to install the cowl, so just fold it like this, and then the other one, fold it like this. Okay, and then put the cover. Okay, and then just install the lock, and there you have it. So one thing to save your battery skin. And disclaimer, okay, always ask the racing center first if this is allowed. All right, so that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. Go ME users, let's do this. As always, stay safe, have fun, keep on racing. See ya. We are inviting you to visit the Attic Yarn and Hobby Studio in Marikina City and experience a wonderful time building and playing with your Tamiya car. We have daily fun race, time attack, and monthly tournament. Track layout changes every month to make things challenging. I hope you learned something from this video. Stay safe and have fun racing.